Hello guys, welcome back to another video on SEO episode 3. So on previous we had said that we will work on the blog now. So I was to choose a niche and I chose something to deal with solar panels. So let's check here. So here it is. I want to make a blog site all about solar panels, anything to do with solar panels, and how is this idea as my niche. So that's what I asked the ChatGPT, and the response was the solar energy niche is excellent, but if you position it correct, but only if you position it correctly. Here is a clear breakdown. So is solar energy a good SEO niche? That was the question. Yes, but it depends on how you target it. So first of all, there is high search volume, right? Millions of people search for solar panels, solar installation, solar prices, solar batteries, off-grid solar systems, solar maintenance, and solar for homes/businesses. Evergreen demand. Solar demand increases every year. So especially in regions with high electricity costs and reliable power, that's where Kenya comes in. And then there's monetization potential. You can make money through affiliate programs, local service leads, YouTube integration, informational and sponsored posts. So that's all monetization that will come later on. That's not our target right now. Then there's content content is practically unlimited. So you can write 200 plus posts over time. Beginner guides, product reviews, comparison, troubleshooting, installation guide, maintenance, sizing, all that. But here is the catch: there is competition. So it's a competitive niche. So for you to make it in this niche, we have to make your solar site niche within a niche. So it's not a generic solar blog. No, we can make within it a niche. So solar for homeowners, residential solars. So focus on solar guides. Option 2, off-grid solar system. Option 3, solar in Kenya/East Africa. This is one is underserved, and this one is why we are going to pick. So we are going to focus on East Africa in general. So solar prices in Kenya, best solar prices in Kenya, solar water pumps, best solar companies in Kenya, solar for small businesses, how to design a solar backup, and so that's how we went by, and I came to select Infomax Energy. So the next task was to build the site itself. So I'm on the coding phase right now. So I'll show you what I've achieved and where the blog has reached so far in coding. So let's get into it. I'm using Django to develop this site. So I'm gonna spin it here local. So I'm going to say Python manage.py run server. So forget to activate virtual environment. Source venv/bin activate. Let's check the directory. So I'm currently in inside so my venv is above, so cd dot ls. So now it's our virtual environment here. Then we go into source bin activate. So our virtual environment has been activated. Let's find the manage.py. So Python manage.py run server. Now module check Infomax. I think this terminal, let me activate this using another terminal. Let's open cursor. So it worked. So the server has finally worked. Don't know why it's giving me headache. I just returned the same value that I had, infomaxenergy.blog. But anyway, let's just jump to the we can see the blog here, Infomax Energy. Welcome to Infomax Energy, comprehensive guide for solar panels, solar energy batteries, and renewable energy solutions. Home, solar batteries. Can explore categories. So just created one category from the backend, solar batteries, and latest articles. Let's check this, view articles. So I'll just give you the articles from this category. You can read more. Now you see the blog. Now check the URL here, solar battery explain types of and how to choose. So this is a slug is generated from the title. So this slug here for SEO is generated by the, it's not just /1 and 2. It's clean and plain. It just pastes the HTML supported here, so it's guided by HTML. Another thing, let's access the admin panel. Let's access the admin panel. Again, we have our admin panel here. You can see the articles. The one that is being displayed at this one here, it's this one. We can create a new article, choose category. So at first you need to have categories. Let me tell ChatGPT that can generate a new category. Let's choose solar inverters. So solar inverters, add new. So the slug is auto generated. Let's copy description, guides, reviews, comparison, buying advice including hybrid. So let's paste it here. Meta title, yeah, then meta description, 158 characters for SEO purpose, then just save. So now we can write a new article under this solar inverter category. So add article, solar inverters. So I can just tell it add article. So for now we are just doing this for testing purpose. If you are posting a blog, you shouldn't be just ChatGPT content direct. You need to optimize it, because Google nowadays wants real content. So solar category, so this is the title. Let's carry the title. Content, let me copy this. Let's see, HTML supported. Image, let's just choose search solar inverters. Let's go to images. Choose one image from this place. Let's choose this one. Save image as let's choose the JPG one. Let's click save image as inverter.jpg. So now that's done, let's choose our image here, open, and then come back to this. Something went wrong. Let's refresh. So the title, I don't know if it's changed. Let's just do it. Content, let's copy the content. Image you have already chose, and SEO title. Here. Meta description. Focus keyword, so the keyword that is being focused. So inverter. So is it published? So when it's published, let me not publish it first, and you see, save. So our article is not published. What does that mean? And go home, you see categories. We have a category solar battery and solar inverters. So the view articles, you will see that there are no articles on this category. Let's go back home, and this has updated. Now we have solar batteries here, and then let's check. Now let's make it published. So let's make the blog published. Publish, save. So publish. Let's go back to home and refresh. Now we got latest articles of this, so we can view this more. So you can see it's clean. The blog is really clean. Solar inverters, explain prices, published, updated on, and it's clean. It's a clean blog. Go back to solar inverters. Go back home. You have your latest article here. So we have categories, sitemap. Our sitemap also here shows all the URLs. It's good because this one will be submitted for SEO on Google Console, Google Search Console. How to choose, explain types of prices, and so it just updates the URLs. Then we have robot.txt. It tells agents where it pinpoints where the sitemap is and what is allowed to be crawled. So that's our Infomax Energy blog. So I'm gonna wind up some few things before we take it to production environment and deploy it, and also buy the domain that's gonna be used and deploy this thing to live and start ranking on Google. So that's our goal, and now we are at step 3. We have to publish this blog and start gaining traffic from Google, and there we can start optimizing our SEO skills. So if we don't have the blog, we can't learn the skills, so we have to learn practical from the blog that is already on the internet. So I'm working hard to get this thing up on the internet. So Thanks for watching, and as always, subscribe and keeps me motivated and keep going. So